and click 75 cents, click 75 cents, click 75 cents. You want to see what I'm doing? I will show you right here in this video. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'll show a super cool free strategy that you can use for making money with every single click. So this will be a full tutorial and all that we are using is free online tools. So I'm super excited about this, and before we are going to jump into this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, make sure to leave me a comment if you have any questions or maybe you just want to say hi, and also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. I have a free course, that's the first link. I have a course that you can pick up for $1, that's the second link. Check out all the rest of the links as well, all my social media and everything else. And right now let's jump into this video. Let me show you how to make money in 2021. So guys, the website that we're going to be using is cpalead.com. okay, so on this website you will find a bunch of different CPA offers. If you don't know what CPA is, it is like affiliate marketing but easier. So it stands for cost per action, and the cool thing is that you will be making money without people actually buying anything. Okay, so depending on the CPA offer, you will make money in a bunch of different ways. It can be someone submitting their zip code, entering their email, going through a survey, a bunch of different tasks. Okay, and the cool thing is that they don't have to buy anything for you to make the commission. So it's super exciting, especially if you're a beginner, and I'll show you the whole strategy right now. Okay, so the cool thing about cpalead.com is that you don't have to be approved by the network to actually get started. Okay, so most CPA networks will have to approve you. Sometimes they will even call you on the phone, make an interview. With cpalead.com you don't have to do anything, you just have to open an account and you can start making money immediately. Okay, so again, cpalead.com. so I already created my account, I logged in, and you have a bunch of different offers. Okay, so for this particular tutorial I will show you how to use an offer that will appeal to a lot of people. Okay, so obviously they have many different niches. They have niches like baby diapers or a VPN or gaming, but for the purpose of this video I found this one right here, which is getting a $500 Amazon gift card. And as you can see, this one will pay you 75 cents. So we will go back to this offer in just a second. As you can see, you have a bunch of different offers. You have a free iPhone giveaway right here. So this is another one that would definitely appeal to just almost everyone. As you can see, this one will be paying 61 cents. Get a $1,000 Visa card or a gift card, 58 cents. Get free V-Bucks right now, 81 cents. We have a Walmart gift card, a bunch of different gift cards that essentially people want for free. So that's why this is so easy to do. That's why you don't really have to convince anyone to enter their email to get a $500 gift card, right, or a $1,000 gift card. So these are the type of offers that I would like you to focus on. As you can see, this will work on all devices, and let's just click on it. As you can see, this is email submits and surveys. Okay, so people will actually have to submit their email, and for each person that will do it, you will get 75 cents. Super easy. Now, first of all, let me just tell you that this is your affiliate link. Okay, so we will need to make it look better. Okay, so it sort of looks too long. It's has a bunch of numbers and dots and everything in it. So let me just copy it, and the first thing that you can do is shorten it. Okay, so we will go to bit.ly.com or bit.ly, and all you have to do is just paste it right here, click on shorten, and you will get a link that looks much better. Okay, so as you can see, this is our link, bit.ly.com. We can copy it, and right now we can start sharing it all over the web. So the two different ways of sharing it that I would recommend you do is, first of all, just share it on Twitter. Okay, I will show you how to get traffic to your Twitter tweet in just a second. First of all, let me just copy and paste the link here, and you can actually go back right here and just copy this whole thing. Get a $500 Amazon gift card. So let me just copy it right here. And another thing you can do is you can actually go to coolsymbol.com and pick like a nice cool arrow or something. Okay, so we can pick this one right here, go back, and we can add a bunch of these right here. This will make your tweet look much better. So as you can see, we have the preview right here. I would just remove the preview. You can leave it as is, or you can actually add an image. Okay, so if you can find an image of a gift card or a present or a gift or something, you can add an image right here or not. It's totally up to you. For the purpose of this video, let's just leave it as is. Okay, so right now I will just tweet it. So as you can see, we already have our tweet. Now the second thing we will do is we will go to Instagram. Okay, so the more social media you can include, the better. Now on Instagram you can't share links, but what you can do is you can add a link to your bio. Okay, so the same exact thing. As you can see, I have a bunch of different emojis right here. This just calls attention. I would add the same exact link right here to my bio, and then the post, every single post on my Instagram will say check out the link in my bio. Okay, so this is what you would do on Instagram. Now how are you going to get traffic to your Twitter tweet and to your Instagram? Now I'm assuming you don't have any followers on Twitter and on Instagram, so what we will do right now is we will go to a site called like4like.org. okay, so on this site you can do a bunch of different things, but the cool thing is that you can get a bunch of social media interactions. Okay, so as you can see, for Twitter we can get Twitter followers, we can get Twitter retweets, and we can get Twitter likes. Now how this works, it works in a couple of ways. Okay, the first way is it works for free, and all you have to do to get credits that you can then exchange for your own Twitter followers and retweet is you just click on social media. Let's say you want to do Twitter likes, and you like other people's tweets. That's all you have to do. You get credits this way, and then you can spend these credits on your own tweets, etc. Okay, so as you can see, we can click right here where it says add and manage pages, and again, and what we want is Twitter retweets. Okay, so this is how other people will be retweeting our tweet, and this way we will get eyeballs on our offer. So as you can see, I already had one campaign running here. All you have to do is just grab the URL of this tweet. So just click on the tweet. As you can see, this will be the URL. So twitter.com/your ID/status and then some numbers. This is what you're going to be copying and pasting it right here. Okay, so just copy and paste it. Credits, I always like to add around 5 or 6 credits per tweet. Okay, so let's keep it at 5. Link description, and let's just click on add URL, and we are done. People will start retweeting our tweet, and this is how their followers will see our tweet. Pretty amazing, right? So another thing that you can do is you can actually grow your own followers. So as you can see, you can get Twitter followers and also Twitter likes. So you can actually combine retweets and likes. With the retweets, people will just retweet your tweet, and sometimes they can remove it. Okay, but with a like, the main point is that their followers will see what you are sharing, right? So with a like, it has the same exact purpose. So instead of seeing the tweet, they will just see that someone else liked the tweet, and they will see your tweet in the same exact way. Okay, so we can do retweet or likes. And again, you can just do followers if you want to grow your own Twitter following. And obviously we can do the same exact thing with Instagram followers, Instagram likes, and Instagram comments. So guys, I showed you a couple of different social medias. Obviously you can do the same on Facebook, you can do the same on StumbleUpon. We have even website views, we have Pinterest, we have SoundCloud, we have YouTube, we have Vimeo, we have all of these different social medias. TikTok, if you're into TikTok, you can definitely do something like this as well. I only showed you 2, so Twitter and Instagram. You can do as many as you want. Now guys, this is just one website I want to show you. Another website I wanted to show you is youlikehits.com. okay, so this is the same exact idea. Essentially you earn credits by liking other people's tweets and videos and photos, and then you can spend these credits on your own tweets and social media profiles, etc. okay, so again guys, there is a paid option. As you can see, you can buy points, so you will only spend a few dollars per few thousand points. As you can see, $10 will get you 3,000 points, and then depending on how much you are giving away, when it comes to other people tweeting your tweets. This way you can just save time. Okay, so guys, I would definitely recommend you start with the free route. So just again go and just like other people's videos and tweets and retweet and like their photos, get some credits, then spend these credits on your own tweets, get the ball rolling. And then if you see that you can really scale this up, just maybe buy a few credits, spend a few dollars, and just automate it all so it keeps on running on autopilot. So guys, that's the strategy for today. I hope I opened your eyes, first of all, to CPA marketing, then to social media and how you can use it to get followers, get likes, get all this interaction. And then this strategy works if you will pick the right offer. Okay, so just make sure that the offer is an offer that will apply for a broad amount of people. Okay, so I would not niche down, I would keep it as broad as possible. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and also leave me a comment if you have any questions. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description, and don't forget to watch all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online, working from home, online business, digital business, however you want to call it. So watch the rest of the videos, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.